Foam roller therapy. Foam rollers have become very popular over the last few years as a recovery tool. Using a foam roller for a few minutes before, after, or in between workouts helps loosen up and work out adhesions and trigger points. Rest is very important. Sleep is a very overlooked factor when it comes to losing weight and being healthy. Most people don't get nearly enough sleep. Chronic lack of sleep can cause a variety of health problems. This is also when your body repairs and recovers from your workouts. In order to burn calories, boost your metabolism, and build lean muscle, you need a lot less exercise than most people realize. The crucial aspect of training is quality work, not quantity. If you become chronically overtrained, you'll start going backwards, feeling lethargic, not wanting to work out, getting weaker instead of stronger, and losing hard-earned muscle. Be sure to get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night.